Hello, my name is Raymond Lee. I'm a program lawyer with CLEBC. With me is David Martin. David is co-chair of a brand new course from CLEBC, Transnational Criminal Law, being offered on November 28, 2011. David is going to tell us a little bit about this course. First of all, David, what is the genesis for this course?
Well, of course, with globalization and increasingly aggressive law enforcement in relation to securities, tax, fraud, foreign corrupt practices, it's essential that criminal practitioners and corporate counsel who advise global companies, invested companies, be aware of how to manage an investigation that can have devastating consequences for both the company, its employees, and the shareholders involved.
Right. David, what is the target audience for this course, and does that also extend to lawyers who will be outside BC and perhaps even outside Canada?
Well, obviously, defense lawyers are the tip of the spear in mounting a defense to a criminal investigation across borders. But corporate counsel who advise companies might be the first to become aware of an investigation. They need to know who to retain and how to react to an investigation as it unfolds. Delay, mismanagement can be devastating. Securities lawyers, tax lawyers, the entire panoply of professionals, including law enforcement officers, prosecutors, who are responsible for the management of an international investigation are our target audience, and we hope they'll attend.
Right. What are some of the highlights of the program that our prospective registrants should be aware of?
The program will track international investigation from its origin through to extradition processes. So we'll discuss with leading British counsel the development of a defense team, the conduct of an internal investigation. We'll examine the relationship between parallel securities investigations that are often ongoing while a criminal investigation is occurring, parallel tax investigations, and the special problem of now the aggressive enforcement of tax legislation around the world. We'll look at the inevitable push, particularly in the United States, to encourage people to cooperate and the implications of that. We'll examine evidence gathering processes pursuant to the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaties and Act in Canada, and ultimately examine fully the conduct of an extradition case and appeals therefrom. We'll take a holistic view to a multi-track defense that not only is defensive but offensive in terms of trying to find solutions, and defensive in the event that solutions can't be found along the way to protect the liberty of primary movers in the management, shareholder board of a multinational corporation.
All right, and for this program, we've assembled quite the faculty, quite the all-star team. Could you tell us a little bit about who we have on the lineup for this course?
We have leading counsel from Britain who manages these kinds of cases. The British Columbia Securities Commission is participating in the securities dimension of the program. Leading former counsel of the SEC, now Defense Counsel, is participating, as well as local securities counsel. We have leading tax counsel from the United States and Canada participating. We have the former U.S. Attorney, First Assistant of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Seattle, now defense lawyer, bringing his 20 years of experience to bear on the management of these kinds of investigations from both sides of the bar. We are honored to have the head of the International Assistance Group of the Department of Justice from Ottawa, who's going to participate in the MLAT and extradition processes, as well as the group head of the Canadian Department of Justice here in British Columbia, responsible for international matters. Counterpointing the views of government will be leading defense lawyers from British Columbia, counsel from Mexico, analyzing the difference between the common law and civil law processes. It will neither be a law enforcement-oriented process a CLE or a defense-oriented one, we hope to have a lively debate amongst competing points of view that'll cover all the topics that somebody practicing in this field or advising individuals and companies in this field need to be aware of.
Thank you, David. David and Eric have worked up a very exciting program. I'm really looking forward to this offering of this brand new program by CLEBC. So there you have it, Transnational Criminal Law 2011. Please mark your calendars. It is on Monday, November the 28th, 2011. We hope that you can join us here in Vancouver, and if not, please join us on the web for the webcast presentation of this course. Hope to see you then. Thank you.
Thank you.